Woensdag, dis Muurprop en jy kyk Muurprop TV.
For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you a hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Imagine this. It's Friday afternoon, March 20th. You've just finished a long week of school. Instead of heading home to your chores or scrolling through your phone for the 10th time today, you're throwing a bag in the car and heading out to the destination where the 2026 Muurprop Camp. 3 days, zero boredom. We're talking epic team challenges, late night campfires, and the kind of moments that actually stick with you. Now, usually a weekend like this would cost a fortune. But we've got you. For just 500 Rand, that includes everything. Transportation and food. March 20th to the 22nd, the countdown is officially on. Don't be the one watching the highlights on Sunday night, wishing you were there. Grab your spot now. See you at the camp.
Wat doen jy? Ek is besig met die voorbereiding van die nuwe identiteitsreeks wat ons gaan doen by Muurprop om 6uur by Moeder Campus. As jy meer wil weet, kom kyk.
Hey, Johnny Band, kan jy nie sien hoe alleen ek is nie?
Muurprop